Hi everyone, thanks for joining me. This is a video on how to use dafont.com. This site allows you to download new and interesting fonts so that you can customize text on almost any program that can access the computer's font family. There are some advantages to using a site such as dafont.com, whereas all of the fonts have been categorized into different themes, and you can simply search by one of these headings or subheadings. You can also search by keyword, so if you were looking for a specific topic, you could search through that. Once you've found a font that you like, you can simply download it by clicking on the download button, and it actually has some instructions on the home page here for what types of operating systems work with this type of system. So Windows 8, 7, and Vista, you can simply click on download and it will open up another window. I'll show you that here in a second, and you can install it automatically. If you happen to be using Windows XP, you actually have to physically place those font files into the directory C/Windows/fonts, and it also works on Mac OS operating systems, similar to how it does for the 8, 7, and the Vista for Windows. You just double click on install once the next dialog comes up, and again I'll show you that here in a second. So very simple to search for, very simple to download, fairly simple to install, and it's also interactive because it'll give you a preview of what that text might look like. So right now I'm going to show you, I have 4 different programs that I'm going to download a font for in order to customize my very important summer vacation to-do list. And of course, number 1 on that is Finish Web Tools for Educators. So basically I'm going to search for a specific kind of keyword in order to fit my need here. So I was looking for summer fonts earlier, and I didn't really find anything that I liked. But you can see here, once you type in a word, you can search for it and it gives you a bunch of different results back. And then I went and said, what is summer really for me? And I just thought of the very simple word fun. So I went and searched for fun, and I found a font that I did like. So Fun Time. So what I'm going to do is click on download here. I'm using Google Chrome, so it goes to the bottom of the browser, as you can see here. If you were not to be using Google Chrome, or let's say Internet Explorer or Firefox, you would actually have to navigate to your computer's download folder in order to find where they put this zip file. So once you find that file, you can click and open it. Sometimes, most of the time, there are different types of files that you would find in this zip folder. This time there's only just this one. It's a true type font file, a TTF. What you do with that is you double click it to open it, and you see a window such as this. It gives you a bunch of different previews at different sizes, and what you would want to do is say install. So I've already actually installed this Fun Time font on my computer. It's saying, you already have it installed, do you want to replace it? I'll say sure. And there it has completed the process. I'm going to exit out of here, and I'm going to go to Microsoft Word first. And as you can see, I have Summer Vacation highlighted. I'm simply going to go to my font selector and find that. It's in my recently used fonts, so Summer Vacation and Fun Time font. It also works with Microsoft PowerPoint. So again, I have Summer Vacation highlighted. I'm going to switch that to recently used. Summer Vacation. This list is already making me feel so much more excited. Summer Vacation here again. This is in Adobe Illustrator, so I'm not going to show you that it's applicable in Adobe products such as Illustrator, Photoshop, InDesign as well. So here I have my font selector. I'm going to have to scroll up for this one and find it alphabetically. Here you go, Fun Time. And then again, I can also do this in Photoshop. So it's very versatile. You can use it across many different platforms. Again, I'm going to scroll up here and find it, and there it is, Fun Time font. So thank you for joining me. This has been a quick tutorial on how to use this very applicable and wonderful website called dafont.com.